What up, y'all?
Hi there, camera.
This is Hong Kong.
We're in Hong Kong on a little stopover, about 20 hours here. Explore with us.
Enjoy. Word up.
It's not quite a gin and tonic, but...
Very Canadian beverage.
Where are we headed to?
A waiting area. We're a bit off from starting the journey, but we've started our journey. First leg of the flight will take us to Hong Kong, so that's exciting.
And are you going to let them know where our final destination is?
Yeah. The series is going to be all about Myanmar.
Or Burma.
Burma! Why'd you say Burma? I panicked.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll take you on an adventure.
Here we go.
Enjoy it. This is what an empty airport looks like.
What up, Internet?
There's not much going on. You've got a 1 a.m. flight.
Yeah. We'll never be certain because of the scarf involved, but I'm fairly certain that that lady's shirt says poo.
So we've made it to Hong Kong. We should do a little bit of a check-in. I hope you can hear me through my masks. So far so good, but we're going to see if we can get out of the airport and check out some of the city in the next maybe about 10 hours, I think, or 16 hours. See what we can see.
Adventure!
How you feeling? These are not comfortable.
Oh.
It's the year of the rat. Okay, so we've got our same day train tickets into the city, and we're going to go explore the city a little bit and try to feel a little more comfortable. This is the machine you can buy them from. It's pretty easy, and this is how much it was. So. Ready for adventure?
Oh yeah.
So here's some of the rates and stuff for the Airport Express and tickets. And we're gonna go try to find a ferry. Let's see. Yeah. I guess it would have been February 9th or 10th. 2016. And we came to this ferry in order to try to go to Macau.
Yeah.
How'd that go?
Crowded.
Yeah, but that's the main difference, is it was just so crazy busy. Feels really good to be outside though. And this is where the iconic Star Ferry leaves from, I believe. It's been a while.
What happened?
Last time we were here, there were paper or lantern monkeys in the trees for the Chinese New Year. And this time there's a big dragon. Super cool.
Sure. Sure does look cool. Oh, I got water on the camera.
I really like this little guy. I also really like the guy over here that looks kind of like a poor man's Ultraman. See him over here? When we were here last time too, is it called the Walk of Fame? I don't know. Anyway, the Walk of Stars or whatever was closed. So it's neat to be here when it's actually all open and not barricaded. We were able to see the statues and stuff, but we weren't able to see them in their actual homes. This is pretty cool. And there's no one around. These are so cool. Hey, you guys have very similar sized hands.
Squish, 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 squish. Yep. Me and Jet. If he's looking for a hand double.
Yeah. You want to be Jet Li's hand double?
Yeah.
If you're ever looking to forge Mr. Jackie Chan's signature, there you go. Now you know. It was the year of the pig.
Prince.
It's very weird that over here it says beware of the hot statue. Because this pig's hot. See that?
Yeah. Would it just mean when the sun's out and it gets maybe somebody burns himself on it and it warms every day?
No, I think it means that all pigs are hot.
Was he McDowell?
McDowell. Interesting.
Like
What is this? Piglet McDowell is a comic character created by Brian C. and Alice Mack. McDowell's stories have been adapted to many award-winning movies since its debut. Like a signature. We found him in his new home. A much better home than his previous home. This is where the temporary Walk of Fame was last time we were here. Right up here.
Village, I killed it, chillin' with Chopper when I drop the illest. Rhymes like anchors when I spit this grand line. From East Blue to New World, the title is mine.
If we fight for the prize, know your life's on the line. And my girls packing arms without rifles to fire. The sky has no limitation, never hitting the roof. If you're fishing for information, you're getting the boot.
Give me the loot, walk the plank or I'll shoot.